Here's the kid, Derek Jeter, hunting for his first major league hit. And sends a base hit into left, and now put that ball back in the Yankee dugout.
Oh, you got a run on that one. That's gone. Holy cow. I thought he can get around on that inside pitch, a high fastball, and he creamed it.
In right field, Tarasco going back to the track, to the wall. And what happens here? He contends that a fan reaches up and touches it. But Richie Garcia says no, it's a home run.
That is fair down the right field line. Giambi on his way to third, and they're going to wave him around. The throw misses a cutoff man, shot into the plate, out of the plate.
Hit toward the hole, Jeter backhands from the outfield grass. Got him! Man, what a play!
The 2-1. Swung on and hit high in the air to deep left center. That ball is going to be high. It's going to be far. Gone! Derek Jeter hits his first grand slam.
And the 2-0. There it is. For 72 years, Lou Gehrig has been the Yankees' all-time hits leader. Now, it's Derek Jeter. 1-2. He loops that to left field. Going to be a tough play. Jeter on the run, makes the play, and flies into the stands.
Derek Jeter bats with 2 out and nobody on. Jeter hits it into right. Back at the wall. Game over. Yankees win and the series is tied.
That one's drilled deep to left field. Going back, Joyce looking up. See ya. 3